Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you the two slimes I bought from the store today. So, the first one is this Peak This professional slime, so I'm going to slide in it. Okay. It's really cool. I'm going to make a slide collection. I'm going to show you all of them. I need to get some little containers for them though, because I'll try to keep it up in this one. So, I think I'm going to put them in a little container, after I get all this stuff off. Like, I'm going to start collecting them. I have a lot slicker than this, just have to tell you right now. That's my peak one. You'll make it sliding, you'll get a container out the kitchen. And it's stretchy. So I'm not gonna make it because it's messy and it's hard for me to make it. So. Pretty basic. Oh, the fan, I just turned it down because I was going too fast when I was trying to go on my bed. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be making a stress ball and probably in the morning when I wake up tomorrow. I don't know yet because my mom won't let me make it. So I gotta do it when nobody's looking around. Probably when everybody's watching Empire, yeah. That would be a good time to make it. It is under your nose, but it's because my fingernails are long. You could get this for Dollar General in the toy aisle, I think. I'll not tell y'all. Y'all could just find it. So I'll go get 2 containers, I guess, and a little fork to get the stuff out the side. Gotta go, y'all. Bye.